Morning. If you are taking the water taxi from the Shangri-La Hotel to the palace and the river, the different stations, just gonna walk out into the street, okay? Then you are going to turn right and another right. Cuando estén en el hotel Shangri-La y vayan a coger el water taxi, el taxi acuático, son 10 bahts. ¿Ok? Están a la derecha y luego a la derecha nuevamente. You're gonna follow straight till the end, and you are going to take a left, and that's gonna be your public transportation, the water taxi. Don't take the ones right in front of us, because that's basically a private tour guide and they're gonna try to confuse you and sell you a ticket for 100 baht, 10 times as expensive. So you're gonna keep on walking. The hotel will be towards your right hand, as you can see right here. Okay, el hotel está a nuestra derecha, como lo acabo de enseñar. Y en vez de seguir recto, tienen que doblar aquí a mano izquierda donde dice ferry crossing. So you're gonna make a left where it says the ferry crossing. Otherwise, those guys in front of us are gonna try to sell you tickets for 100 baht, 10 times as much, unless you want a guided tour, of course. So we're gonna turn left. Vamos a doblar aquí a la izquierda y vamos a tomar el water taxi público, que son 10 bahts. Okay, and then I think that for the Royal Palace it's the station N9, I believe. So I'm going to show you the map in a moment. And sorry for the inconvenience because I'm taping while I'm walking. So for the palace, you're gonna exit in N as in Nancy 9, the Shang. Si van al palacio, cogen y se bajan en la estación N9. 1 baht public boat. 1 baht public boat. Okay. Public boat. El bote público, 1 baht. Y se van a bajar en la estación N9 de Shang. Y esto es saliendo desde el hotel Shangri-La a la margen del río.